Edo PDP don suspend the state chairmo Tony Aziegbemi, set up 3-man committee to investigate the allegations. The deputy state chairmo Harrison Omagbon go dey act first. For the state working committee meeting wey shele for the state party secretariat on Tuesday 1st of June 2021, two-third majority of the members come decide say make the state chairmo Dr. Tony Aziegbemi dey suspended from im position and make Honourable Harrison Omagbon, the state deputy chairmo, act for im place till dem determine the allegations wey dem levy against am. The party come set up investigative committee wey the state legal adviser Barrister Arthur Esene go head, and e go give report back to the working committee within 1 week. Other ogbonge members wey dey for the committee na Mrs. Tesoriai, state woman leader, and Dr. Wilson Imoga, state auditor. Among the allegations wey dem accuse Dr. Tony Aziegbemi na gross misconduct wey dey cause unnecessary tension and disunity among party members for the state as e fit bring shame to the party. The decision wey the party take hard as e be, but na wetin go bring sanity to the party. Dem say e no go make sense if dem ignore wetin dey happen and how actions and inactions of Dr. Tony Aziegbemi dey affect the party. PDP na very disciplined party with pride as dem dey well organized and focus on service delivery to supporters and Edo people. The party come urge members make dem keep calm as dem wan embark on self-cleansing exercise. Na the state publicity secretary Chris Osanehikari na im yarn this one. This one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top the koko for today. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.